In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up QuickBooks Online. Keeping a backup of your QuickBooks Online data is one of the simplest and most important things you can do to protect your business. If something goes wrong, like accidental deletions or major edits, a backup lets you roll things back to an earlier version instead of trying to fix everything manually. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through turning on automatic backups in QuickBooks Online, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you feel confident using it. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look toward the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear. Click that, and from the menu that opens, choose Account and Settings. This is where you manage the main configuration for your company file, including advanced options like backups. Once you're in Account and Settings, you'll see several tabs on the left-hand side. Click on the tab labeled Advanced. This section controls things like accounting method, automation settings, and, most importantly for us, backups. Take a moment to scroll through so you know where everything lives, but we'll focus on the backup area. Now find the backup section on this advanced page. When you see it, look to the right and select Edit. This opens up the backup settings so you can actually turn the feature on. If this is your first time here, it might be disabled by default, which is why we need to adjust it. Inside the backup settings, you'll see a switch or toggle that controls whether backups are on or off. Go ahead and toggle the switch to turn on backups. Once you've done that, make sure you click Save so QuickBooks remembers your choice. If you close the window or navigate away without saving, your changes won't stick, so that save step is important. After you've turned backups on and saved your settings, QuickBooks Online will automatically start tracking changes to your data and creating backups for you. You don't have to manually export files every time you make a change. Instead, QuickBooks quietly keeps versions in the background, so if you ever need to, you can restore your company file to a previous point in time. From now on, if something unexpected happens, you'll have peace of mind knowing there's a backup to fall back on. That's all it takes to enable automatic backups in QuickBooks Online.